My name is Sophie Larouche. I am working at Larouche Agency. We are located in Quebec City. My role at the agency is project management, so I'm on the account service team. Larouche is a full-service agency. We are specialized in strategy, branding, and communication in general. Before Function Point, we were using different tools, but we were mainly using Excel and homemade internal tools. So Function Point had great impacts on our daily life at the agency. So it helped us to standardize our process, and it also helped us to really have a good flow from the budget to the invoice. So it's really integrated, and we can work really integrated as a team. Our team enjoy using Function Point. In fact, it's pretty much the first thing we look at in the morning, and that we finish our day with the timesheet. So it's a tool that we are using. It's always open on our computer, of course. With Function Point, we had a great support. We can always reach out to them and ask questions and make sure we all have the info we need to make the most of this Function Point software. Of course, make sure that it's the right tool for you, but Function Point is a great choice since it's a really integrated tool.
Merci. J'adore Function Point.
J'adore Function Point.